Hi, this is Enling Xu, founding engineer at Causal. Welcome to our quick demo on how Causal leverages OpenTelemetry. Let's dive in. Distributed tracing gives you a bird's eye view of transactions across your microservices, far beyond what logs and metrics can offer. It helps you tracing the path of a request across service boundaries. Setting up distributed tracing has never been easier. In addition to OpenTelemetry and other existing tracing tools such as Tempo and Jaeger, with open source tools like Grafana, Beyla, and Keyval Odigos, you can enable distributed tracing in your system without a single line of change. These tools auto-instrument your applications to start sending traces immediately. But with potentially hundreds of spans in each trace and millions of traces generated per minute, you can easily become overwhelmed. Even with a bird's eye view, you might feel like you're flying blind. That's where Causal comes in. Causal efficiently consumes and analyzes the tracing data, automatically construct the cause and effect relationships, and pinpoint the root cause. Leveraging OpenTelemetry in Causal is straightforward. Causal is designed to seamlessly consume OpenTelemetry data out of the box, enabling you to leverage distributed tracing capability without hassle. All you need to do is to export the trace data to Causal by configuring the OTel collector with defining this exporter and use the exporter in your pipeline. Using the data from OpenTelemetry, Causal is able to build a causality overlay that adds huge value on top of the service dependency topology. As a result, we're able to identify problems on the applications as well as on the infrastructure and understand their impact. Hey, look, we have some interesting problems now. Let's take a look at one of the problems. This problem is the inefficient logging, and we can dive into the causality chain of this problem. In this case, we can understand what are the manifestations that is caused by the problem. Here is the high mutex wait time on this application, but more interestingly, it also causes this application to be a slow consumer that causes a high consumer group lag on the topic running on Confluent Cloud. The OpenTelemetry support allows us to understand the dependency of the application and the topics in Kafka cluster on the Confluent Cloud, which allows us to apply our causal analysis on top. Of course, you can dive into more details of the entities within Causal to double check what's going on the applications, such as the service dependency map to understand what are the producers and the consumer of the same topic, as well as the metrics to see what's going on with the mutex wait time or any other metrics like GC time. Interested in seeing how Causal makes it fast and easier to use tracing data in your environment to understand the root cause of challenging problems? Contact us to try Causal and see how can we help. Thank you.